Tom Allen. I am a technical sales representative for TRM Packaging. My job entails going into new customers and looking at how best to design a box to work through their process, but also to look at how they will best work through our process we have at this end. When a customer is looking at a new box, the information that we need is, first of all, the product that's going in it. We then need to know how many of that product is going to go into the box, the storage conditions they're then going to store that box in with the product. So it could go into a refrigerated environment, a freezer or a dry environment. All those different environments require different boxes. Each customer we have then has very specific requirements about what they would like on those boxes. So we have some customers who require a certain type of perforation or cuts on those boxes that align up with their brand image. It's very important to understand a customer's brand. Most of our customers have spent millions of pounds designing this brand. They'll have very specific colours and very specific styles. And us as a box manufacturer, we aren't just there to package a product and to make their product go safely from A to B. We're also there to promote their brand now. We are the first line of advertisement on the shelf. So when you see a box, you need that box to stand out and you need that to promote what's in it and hopefully promote the brand itself.
My name is Kerry Till. I work at TRM Packaging and I'm an internal sales coordinator. I deal with customers on a daily basis. I process new orders for any new products that come online, or I amend existing lines if something changes. The customer needs to give us as much information as they can about the product that's going into the box. It's very important that we get to see a sample of the product because we can get to see how well it fits into the box, we can see how heavy it is, and we can also see what protection it needs for it to get from point A to point B safely. Printing can determine the machine route through the factory, which can have a huge impact on price. And also it gets the right paper so that the printing looks the best. Once the customer's approved the final design, we collate all the data and we pass that then through to the factory and they produce the box for us.
My name's Andy Saunders and I work as a packaging designer for the corrugated packaging industry. When we get a new design in, the first thing is to establish what is actually going in the box, how big it is, what weight it is, which will determine what the fluting we were going to use, what style the customer's looking for, and whether it be a shelf-ready or a not shelf-ready. We use a CAD system that has a database, is what we call a FEFCO library. It has several hundred different designs in which you can use as a base to start you off and what you're trying to design, or you can go back into the history of something you've made before and tweak it to whatever your requirements are. What we do with prototypes is we will design the packaging around the product, and we'll cut several tests on the cutting table, try them out, rip them down, and make sure everything's okay. Once we're happy with it, we'll send it to the customer and seek their approval or any changes they want to make to it, and we can then draw it back from the CAD system and take it from there. My top tip for a young designer would be to make the design as easy as possible. The best designs are the most simple designs.